Hi, this is Chris with American Hakko. Today I'm going to show you how to actually change the preset temperatures that are used in the preset mode on the Hakko FX 888D. Changing the preset temperatures is a very simple process. It's actually the same as changing the temperature for the FX 888D. I'm going to turn the unit on, and you'll see that as the unit comes on, it's at 750 degrees. It starts to come up to temperature. I'm going to press the up button, and at this point I've got this unit in preset mode. I've gone into the parameters to turn the preset mode on. If you're not sure how to do that, please see the other video on how to turn on and use the preset modes. So here I see I'm at preset 3. I'll go ahead and I'll leave it at preset 3 by pressing the enter button. Now I don't want preset 3 in this case to be 750 degrees. I want it to be 740. So in this case I'm going to hold the enter button down. You'll see that the hundreds digit is flashing. In this case, I'm actually selecting what temperature do I want at preset 3. So I'll leave 7, press enter, and I need to make this a 4. One of the unique features with the FX 888D is that since we're only using the up button, we're going to scroll up and back around to the number 4, press the enter button again, and enter one more time for the 0. Now my preset is at 740 degrees. If I press the up button, you'll see now preset 4, the factory default of 800. I'll press the enter button to choose that preset. And now just to demonstrate, I'll press the up button here and I'll go back to preset number 3. And you'll see the setting has been changed. It's 740. You can go through this exact same setting process on all of the active presets that you've got in the station. And that's how you change the preset temperatures in preset mode on the Hakko FX 888D.